you know what?
Yeah, and
It was good.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
That was actually one of my favorite days. The reason why, the content we created on that day.
Well, that's what I was gonna say, because that was the day where I forgot the SD card in the drone.
See,
and he helped us get it. Was that the day? No, it wasn't that day.
It was not. That's when we went to Ibri.
Yeah, yeah.
But that day, in terms of footage, you know, I'll have to say that's my best day. You know.
Yeah.
For me.
Oh, because we went to the waterfall.
To the waterfall. In terms of content, the view was so serene.
Yeah, it was.
And the drone went all the way up to the top.